we're trucking. Trucking. What did you expect? We're definitely not driving a bus anytime soon. We're definitely not driving a bus anytime soon here. We are just trucking. Which means this is another series of killing the truck. And no, the truck does not deserve to die.
Let's get started. Drive.
The truck just doesn't want to survive anymore. I mean, the engine braking system, it's like making weird noises.
Turn right.
I never see any kind of fuel station.
So we can start going now. Also, do you hear those weird sounds when I release the gas pedal? So there's definitely some problem with this 19-year-old. It's making really good noises.
Turn right.
My truck. And somehow, it hasn't just stopped randomly. Okay, I'm gonna try to put the cruise control system under less pain by doing that. And now it barely has to accelerate anymore. I would like to show you. You have to go on a police checkpoint. Look, you have to go that way for the police checkpoint. Just go that way and the police will check you off. You see, you know why they are doing this? Because they want to know if your truck is light enough to continue going on the road. Because it has to be safe. For the road.
Can I go?
Yes. Huh? I know. I I don't think so. I think you have to pay. Just check out. And for some reason, the system of this game is not allowing you to go without getting checked. Which means you have to just surrender and they have to take your money for a change. Ah, the truck is making weird noises again. Not good. And I need a fuel station. Look at all of those car wreckages. Oh my god. The brakes are amazing!
City, how do you know if I can eat something here? I need to sleep. How am I doing that?
You cannot eat from here, I'm afraid. That's a gas station. Did you get gas from there?
Yeah.
Congratulations! You visited your first gas station.
So that's all, yeah? So shall I go now?
Yeah. Yes, you are in gear one. Why are you driving with a view like that? That is probably the worst view ever.
Oh, yeah. Oh!
Giro momento. 70. You just stand there. What are you doing? Why do you want to put it 80? Wait, do you know what is the speed limit on the motorways? I've been constantly going 70.
I'm hungry, dude.
Kitty, what is the speed limit?
100.
No, I'm not gonna take your lies
Blah,
anymore.
blah, 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 like a perfect chicken scared from YouTube. Any?
Nope, that's a hotel.
I'm hungry. So nothing to eat here?
No. What is the speed limit here, Kitty?
How do I know, Georgie?
You should know. You drive. You are driving in real life, Kitty.
So it's 100.
It's not 100, Kitty. I will never fall for your tricks. Kitty, I have a question. In the UK, are there any 100 miles per hour speed limits?
This is no miles per hour, it's kilometers per hour.
It's miles per hour to us. Everything is miles to us. So what is the speed limit?
70.
Then why are you going 60?
Where is that motel?
Huh?
Where is that motel?
What?
Motel. Where is it?
Motorway?
Motel! For sleeping.
There! You just pass it.
Why are you? I saw nothing.
So, what is the speed limit? Tell me.
70.
Oh, come.
Where is the motel?
You have to go back. Ah, you see, there. The motel. The hotel. Please, I am driving. Can't you not give me a break? Oh my God, I'm young. Look, right there. No, not that way. That way. No food. There. You see that icon? Just the fuck. Bye. Sleeping. Quite good to sleep on.
No food, huh?
Just a second. Just a second. I need to pause the game again. Fruits. officially reached the whole section. Turn left. We officially that truck is making weird noises again. He's going, yeah! The brakes have praised me once again.
Really do need a I'm literally dying.
Oh my god, I'm not hungry anymore. That's all that matters. Yeah, somehow it's only receiving 5 megabytes. Of course it's still searching for a good channel. For a classical channel.
Exit right.
I see something
Turn
in the
right.
distance. Right! Go! Come on. Okay, this one is control on. And finally turn the wipers off. I am slowing down.
Continue straight.
No charge!
Continue straight.
Oh my god!
Turn left.
What length am I stepping on? Lid is not put on properly and it was on the floor and it's all water there.
What is this?
Who
I already
is the
have.
user
Who
of
doesn't
this
matter,
one?
put the lid back on and zip it.
But it was good. No, it was not
It's
this
never
one.
good.
It was not this one.
Who?
Oh,
Does it
this
matter?
is. I thought this was tea.
Does it matter?
It was not this one. This one lid was good.
Yorkshire.
Bagaj to u gură. Tu știi ce mișto e?
The smell is good, so if I add essential oil, I will make a... Oh, the parfum! That's what I did it for.
Oh god. Kitty, get the towel!
Oh my god. You go, and you destroy it, huh?
I'm gonna go get the sponge.
I take it to pour some in my bottle.
Hello.
Hello,
Oh, hello.
hello.
No, go and bring a towel too. I will do it. Go and bring a towel too, I said.
you. Here this.
Hold this one.
Take it.
No, take it back, and that's all. You're gonna hold it here. Hold it here.
Okay.
The essential oil, it will taste more intense and it will last longer if it's mixed with alcohol.
Yeah.
That's why you need the alcohol. Just pure water. Yeah, you're doing something. It's good that way too, but it's not very lasting.
Dă-mi. Ia-și gură.
I have it on
Ce
my
miros.
hand.
Sper că nu
So,
să
de ce
nu
ai
fie-
făcut cu Zeilan? Nu-i Zeilan job să strângă asta de aici.
Nu, de asta sunt altceva, așa.
So let's see, because Zeilan don't pull so much, mame.
Okay.
Because look,
We have to position it
so put it there on the mantle.
here.
So, look, I just smelled it and I'm feeling nauseous already. So, because it has the smell of eucalyptus, it's like essential oil. So,
Give me to smell. To see if it is actually making me nauseous.
do you know what I'm
A
craving?
full.
You know what I'm craving?
No nausea.
You know the bobas.
Oh.
Și gestul faci.
By the way,
That's how it was.
the boba is the rainbow.
The rainbow.
Yeah, you know those rainbow bubbles. That is called boba.
I want tapioca. So that rose and tapioca together.
Tapioca.
The next one, what I got to it was an interesting tea with something, but roasty with tapioca boba.
Eu nu știu despre ce
It's
vorbesc.
not
That
boba.
drinks with the bubbles in it.
Ah,
With that big straw that the bubbles were coming out.
Not all of them are called boba. The rainbow one, that is called boba.
It was written, choose your boba.
go and pick another. You need one more towel.
These Yorkshire puddings are very good when they are mixed with gravy. Oh, well, makes sense. Anything if you are mixing it with gravy is great. You know what I thought? But then I smelled I smelled the gravy. And I was like, okay, I know what this is. Yeah. So, this is rescue number 2. Just put that there whenever I'm eating it. So this one is full of gravy. We eat this one. Bread. And if one of them is having too much gravy, you know what I like about Yorkshire puddings? Look. Look. And then you can rip apart your cup and and eat the cup that you drank the gravy from. Oh my. That was a session. I'm still wondering how long it's up. What is happening there? I'm sorry for that break. I had to begin eating. But do not fear, I am back.
Turn right.
Okay, let me smell.
Right, the fire is coming to you. That's exactly what I'm doing. Don't because you put it on the powerful, huh? See? Much powerful.
It's some kind of
Thank you. Okay, I'm back. Finally, that I can always get me. Something very unfortunate is that I will have to end
Turn right.
after this drainage. Very unfortunate. Then I have some food to get to. Wait, how can I get a time for this? How do you... How... How... It only wants to load 9.39 minutes. Okay.
Continue straight.
Oh wait, no, I just did something. Versus. Okay, well that's a fail. And that's the end.